Kevin. Promiscuous.
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Real talk.
Alright, second Justin Timberlake question for you, Annabelle.
Yes.
What did Justin's paternal grandfather do for a living?
Oh, she's stumped. She's stumped.
Are you serious?
Ah, she's stumped.
Unfortunately, I am serious.
Are you
What did
serious?
Justin's paternal grandfather do for a living?
Kevin, they are stumped.
Are you serious right now? You're for real, not for play? That's a mean question. How do I even know he has a grandfather? I'm gonna say he's...
What's paternal? That's
Paternal is,
father's side.
yeah, father's
So
side.
Justin's dad's dad. Do you know anything about Justin's
Do you know anything about his background or his family?
No, I know a lot about his mom. His mom's like Lynn Harless.
Too bad that just does not help out at this point right now.
Jason, I do not need you talking on the sidelines. Thank you.
You're doing a graduation.
Oh my
God.
I need to get an answer from
Your dad can't kill you for hitting the plastic.
Musician? I don't know.
Musician,
Yes! Everybody knows that. I knew that question.
Religious!
Give me a countdown. Give me a count. 3, 3,
2,
1. Smash it! What the hell? You do anything? A little dance. Okay, well, I can answer any baseball question.
okay. Two expansion teams in 1977.
1977. That was the. Oh, good lord! It's that is the Montreal Expos and the. No. It's Toronto Blue Jays. Jason, come on, hold on. Toronto Blue Jays and
Come on, Jason. Come on, Jason.
Toronto and Houston Astros.
Toronto and the Houston Astros. Is that the final answer, Chamber?
That's my final answer.
Okay. One of the teams was the Toronto Blue Jays.
It's not the Astros.
Was the Seattle Mariners.
No!
Oh, wait.
3, 2,
baby.
1. Oh my God! 1998, 97. You know what? There was not an MVP because they were on strike. Trick question.
Ah, trick question. Chamber, very savvy. And
Help me out. 3, 2, 1. Smash that! Oh! What the? Oh, she kind of fouled that one off, Kev.
Is it the Disney one? Is it?
I don't think that's no.
It's the Disney, like switching places. They're the twins.
It's a made-for-TV movie.
Buzzer out, man. That's a lot of time.
I see it's
Buzzer out, man.
No, it was the. He was in a Disney movie, and it was about these twins trading places. It was like switching places or trading. He was in that. They were dancing together.
She can't help me. She just can't help her answer.
Shit.
Buzzer, Kev. You got a buzzer.
No, it's either trading. It's either.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to say that is incorrect.
Yes.
Trading places.
Oh, I knew that one too. I'm not even a Justin Timberlake fan. That will come out. That will come out though, in my opinion. It'll pop. Why are you making me feel guilty, Virginia?
Take that home. You sleep with it and just remember her dad, okay?